Well, we are here to celebrate Alfa Laval's presence for over 100 years in the marine industry. We have a lot of products and services here on display. What we see is of course that the hot topics really are ballast water treatment and the upcoming global cap, and we do see an increased interest for our pure SOx ballast water system, but also for our pure ballast water system and our pure SOx system. We also see that our customers are now deciding their strategy when it comes to the global cap. And yeah, the message basically is Alfa Laval will be there to support our customer, whatever their compliance strategy is: LNG, compliant fuel, or scrubbers. Yeah, what we see is that the number of RFQs for pure SOx are increasing significantly, but also the order intake is increasing significantly in the last couple of months. Yeah, we see that the market is turning towards scrubbers, and the access to reliable suppliers is getting limited. Well, we see that our customers are more and more convinced of the business case for scrubbers. That is clearly what we see. This has been there for a while, but we also saw a wait and see mode, and that is now clearly changing. So they move towards scrubbers. That is, of course, very much depending on the situation, and of course, when the industry gets more and more known to the technology, downtime will be shorter. But basically, what we can say, it's really the combination of the quality of the yard, the engineering company, and the reliable scrubber supplier like Alfa Laval. We have a global presence. We support installation with project management, local site support, commissioning, and the service around it. Yeah, Alfa Laval has done early estimations in 2016, and we said there will be approximately 5,000 vessels having scrubbers installed by 2025. We say 40% new build, 60% retrofit, and we are anticipating for that. So far we have sold over 200 scrubbers. Hundreds of them are currently in operations. We have 1.5 million operating hours, and all of them are in compliance. Yeah, like I said earlier, it's really the combination of the quality of the yard, the engineering company, and the supplier, the experience of the scrubber supplier. That is really key to consider that. Yeah, what we see more and more is that with the current speculations that our customers say that the business case for scrubbers is very compelling. So that's what I can say about that. Yeah. The key message is, whatever the compliance strategy is for our customers, LNG, compliant fuel, or scrubbers, Alfa Laval is there to support them. Should it be scrubbers, then don't wait too long, because access to reliable scrubber suppliers will be limited in the very near future.